Welcome to your daily math video. Our purpose is to give you a little cognitive shot, boost your confidence, and help you connect with your family to discuss the solution.
Now, take a look at this little interesting brainy activity. Think carefully and try to solve it in your mind. You may use your calculator, tablet, or grab a pen and paper if you like. Here are your choices. Look closely, take your time, think again. Oh wow, you did it!
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
Now listen carefully. Our expression is 6 divided by 3/5 multiplied by 5. According to DEMAS, we solve division and multiplication from left to right. So we start with the division. Here's an important rule to remember. Dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. That means 3/5 flips and becomes 5/3. Now we multiply 6 by 5/3. 6 times 5 gives 30, and 30 divided by 3 gives 10. Great, but we're not finished yet. According to DEMAS, we continue moving left to right. Now we multiply 10 by 5. 10 times 5 equals 50. Final answer, 50. Quick reminder, follow DEMAS, move left to right, and when you divide by a fraction, flip it and multiply. Math solved, story complete.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.